In this video, I will show you exactly how to create labels in your WhatsApp business. So for example, you want to label the customers and the categories. So maybe you have, let me just show you something. When you come to your WhatsApp business, and this can be done only in WhatsApp business. When you come to WhatsApp business, you click on the three dot at the top right hand corner. And then if you're using iPhone, the interface may be slightly different, but it is something similar. You see those three dots at the top right hand corner, you click on it, you will see labels. So when you come to labels, so for example, you see that my own here, I have labeled something I call Facebook and Instagram ads, motivational broadcast list, international client, job applicants, special training, important, China imports, GIET attended, Facebook and all that. You see, these are different categories of what clients or different categories of people. Not all of them are clients per se. Some contacted me for other purposes. So this is what you need to do. So if you want to label them so that it will make it easier for you to identify them, because sometimes if you have a lot of messages, some of the messages will be lost in the crowd. So when you are looking for some of them, you won't be able to even locate. But as you can see, anything you see red here is an international client. This thing you see red is an international client. So if I am looking for the international client, what I just need to do is to come and click on the three dot and then go to labels and then click on international client. So once I click on international client, you see all my international clients showing. And at the end of the day, I am able to locate them more easily. Then if I want to locate people who have attended a certain program I call GIET attended, when I click on it, you see they are showing. So you see those who have attended, all those you see here have attended a program. So it's easy for me to identify them. Then I have a lot of other categories. So you can decide to categorize some as maybe those who have paid, those who are yet to pay, and those who have, maybe they are in a particular specific category. You want to recognize them or group them separately, you can label all of that. So if you want to create a label, this is what you do. You will click on the plus. You click on the plus. Okay, so you go to labels again, then you click on the plus, and then you choose the name of the label. Okay, you choose the name of the label and then the color, and then you label it. Now for the color, sometimes by default they may choose a color for you, but it's not a big deal. So after they choose a color for you, you can put that color there. And then after that, if you don't like the color, when you put the name and you click on save, if you don't like that particular color, you can come and now click on edit. So if I want to choose this, if I want to change the color for this, I'll click on the edit, and then I'll click on the color, and I can now choose the one I want. So you are at liberty to choose any of them. Now let me show you one important thing you need to know. Maybe you want to send a message to all the customers in one of the categories. Okay, if you come and then you come to that particular label, then you click on the three dot and you click on message customers. You see, it will automatically create a broadcast list for you. So if you send any message there, it will go to all of them, and you no longer need to send them separate messages. It's a waste of time. So this one can easily help you reduce time, help you easily identify some important clients you want to attend to, and then be able to improve upon your business, especially in terms of the organization of the customer information. If you follow this and you're not able to do it, please leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me for help, but I charge to do that. You can also leave your comments in the comment section and subscribe to this channel for other more powerful videos. Once again, thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.